In an age where quick thrills and instant rewards dominate our digital life, fantasy gaming and F&O trading have become the new obsession. Platforms like Dream11 have turned everyday users into experts overnight, while the stock market's futures and options segment tempts retail investors with fast, exciting gains. But here's the hard truth: most people lose and some lose big. So today, let's break down why 9 out of 10 fantasy gamers and F&O traders fail and what you need to know to avoid becoming the next casualty. So hi there, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. So the rise of fantasy gaming isn't just about sports or entertainment. Platforms like Dream11 made over 6,400 crores in revenue in just 1 year. That tells us something deeper. They have tapped into our natural gambling instinct. By branding themselves as games of skill, they have found a clever way to operate legally. But let's ask ourselves, how much of this is really skill and how much is just chance? And the same question applies to F&O trading in the stock market. Here's what's fascinating. Fantasy gaming and F&O trading look very different, but they work the same way. They offer the same promise, like fast money, high excitement, and the belief that I can beat the system. You analyze stats, charts, team performance, price, action, but at the end of the day, the odds are stacked. Gaming apps take a cut no matter who wins. F&O brokers earn with every trade, and institutional players, they quietly profit in the background while retail investors carry most of the risk. The system is built that way. Both fantasy gamers and F&O traders believe they are using skill, and sure, a very small percentage may actually succeed, but for the vast majority, it's a costly mirage. The real loss isn't just money, it's the mental energy wasted on something that doesn't build long-term value. What could that energy have gone into? Building your career, growing a business, and investing in long-term goal-based strategy. The smartest investors, they acknowledge the gambling impulse. Some might even allocate 5% of their portfolio to play money just to scratch that itch. But the rest, it's invested with discipline, patience, and purpose. As Charlie Munger wisely said, the first rule of compounding is never to interrupt it unnecessarily. Sometimes the smartest move isn't playing harder, it's knowing when not to play at all. So what's the final takeaway? If you're tempted by the thrill of fantasy games or F&O trading, remember the house usually wins. True wealth isn't built on quick bet, it's built patiently through disciplined long-term investing. If you want to invest smarter, not harder, then click the link in the description for a free consultation with one of our certified financial planners. Let us help you build real lasting wealth. And if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more insights that put your financial future first. So thanks for watching and stay wise out there.
And definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.